Hi, it's Kay here, and you are listening to The Thirsty Sponge. In today's episode, I bring to you tales and myths on how the body reacts to cold, and in this case, cold from cryotherapy. But first of all, what is cryotherapy? Cryotherapy is also known as cold therapy. It is the local or general use of low temperatures in medical therapy. Cryotherapy ranges from using ice packs in your household to using cryotherapy books, as long as it involves using cold or low temperatures whatsoever for treatment. But we have to ask ourselves the question, how does cryotherapy work? And cryotherapy basically works by reducing the body's temperature. This reduction of temperature has been shown to cause various benefits due to the body's reactions to these temperature changes. Cryotherapy has numerous benefits, but the first of these benefits is that it is used in skin treatments. It uses cold thanks to nitrogen and argon gas to destroy diseased tissues. This helps in the removal of warts. Cryotherapy is used to relieve pain. It reduces swelling, reduces blood flow temporarily, it reduces inflammation, and it also temporarily numbs our nerves. This is also relevant in the relief of pain. Cryotherapy has also been shown to treat mood disorders such as depression by releasing endorphins, adrenaline, and noradrenaline. Cryotherapy also helps patients of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. And now I know you'll be thinking, with all these benefits, why are a lot of people not trying out cryotherapy? Well, that brings us to the myths about cryotherapy, and there are several of them. Well, I was able to pick the most common out of all of them, and they are as follows. The first is that most people believe that cryotherapy is extremely expensive, and this is totally wrong. Cryotherapy is extremely affordable with prices starting from $60. Another popular notion is that the cold is not good. The amount of cold isn't good. The temperature in a cryotherapy booth, that is in full body cryotherapy, that is, it involves a person entering into a tube like structure, that is the booth. You stay there for 3 to 5 minutes with temperatures of about minus 249 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it's your body's reaction to this temperature that brings about this benefit. Plus, you're not going to be in that booth for long. It's just going to be 3 to 5 minutes. So, at the end of the day, there are little or no effects on your body. Another popular notion is that cryotherapy is for athletes, injured people, or celebrities, and this is not right. It is available for everyone and it is also affordable. Some other people believe that cryotherapy is just a trend, but it isn't. Cryotherapy has been existent and has been researched on since 1978. Another popular notion is that they say cryotherapy cannot be used for anti-aging, and this is also wrong. Cryotherapy causes or it could it could help with anti-aging, that is based on facial appearance. It increases the production of collagens which shrinks pores and smoothens wrinkles, achieving younger looking healthier skin. Thus, it could make you look younger. And this brings us to the question, what are The side effects of cryotherapy. What is the worst that could actually happen when practicing cryotherapy? Well, cryotherapy is a fairly safe way of treatment, of medical treatment, and there are usually little or no side effects. However, based on the amount of time you spent during your cryotherapy session, there could be side effects. As earlier stated, the recommended time for a person in a cryotherapy booth is 3 to 5 minutes. However, staying there for longer periods of time could cause impaired breathing, increased blood pressure. It could also cause other issues like frostbite. And please, as a warning, do not try cryotherapy if you are pregnant, if you are less than 18 years of age, if you have any heart condition, or severe high blood pressure. Now, where do I really see cryotherapy in the future? I think cryotherapy could or would be a big deal in the future. Why? Because it has potential in the medical world based on the fact that it has little or no side effects. Cryotherapy could be employed in cryosleep, which lowers an astronaut's body temperature to 89 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit, causing them to slip into hibernation. This will help them get through long travels easily as it lowers their oxygen dependency and metabolism. Cryotherapy could also take a larger leap in treatment of more aggressive cancers with more research and development. And now for a fun fact, cryotherapy has actually been shown to cause hibernation. On October 7, 2006, Mitsuzaka Uchikoshi left a barbecue on Mount Ruko in western Japan, deciding to walk down the mountain rather than taking a cable car with his friends. He lost his way, slipped and broke his pelvis with no one to help, and then he lost consciousness. 24 days later, a passing climber found Uchikoshi. His body temperature was 22 degrees Celsius. Mind you, the normal is 37 degrees Celsius. His pulse was barely discernible and his metabolism was at a standstill. But despite multiple organ failures, blood loss, no food or water, he survived and recovered fully. Now, from this story, I feel that cryotherapy would become increasingly relevant in the future. That is probably in the next 10 years, especially in the field of cryosleep. All it needs is more research and development and we'll eventually get there. And this brings us to the end of today's episode. Have you tried cryotherapy before? Do you intend to try cryotherapy? Please let me know your thoughts or experiences. You could also send me an email or a voice note concerning your thoughts. See the description for more information. Please subscribe or follow on whatever platform you're listening on. Don't forget to recommend this podcast to your friends and family. It would be massively appreciated. Stay tuned for more episodes. Bye.